So I'm out running errands, and what do I see? A couple of bucket trucks in the parking lot, buckets raised like they're on some weird hydraulic Tinder date. Just parked side by side like, hey baby, how long can you hold it up? Stress test or a flex off? Who knows? Then I grab my coffee, and there's this man lift all by itself in the Target lot, just raised up, looking lonely. It's like the sad third wheel. What's happening? Is the universe trying to send me a message, or should I just mind my own damn business? Honestly, when even construction gear has drama, you know it's gonna be a weird day. Stay strange, people.